Myself Priyanka Mangesh Yadav, roll number 2163. Today I am presenting on the topic of composite versus metallical beam in the terms of stiffness and deflection. Introduction. Beam are structural member that resist load mainly through bending. Beams are initially parts of structure like buildings and bridges. Metallical are made of entirely metal material, and composite beams are mainly made of two material combined. So metallical beams, made from metals like steel like aluminium, offer high strength and ductile, heavier in weight, and moderate stiffness, more prompt to deflection under higher loads. So, composite material. Composite made from two or more material like steel or concrete. Then the material act together to resist load, higher stiffness and low deflection, lightweight and efficient, commonly used in bridge and modern flyovers to stay for longer period of time, and it is very high strength. Comparison the both the metallic and composite from the table given below. uh, Metallical beam material properties is single metal, steel, aluminium. Composite beam is combined of a two material like beam and steel and concrete. Stiffness of metallical beam is moderate. Composite beams stiffness is high, and metallical beam deflection is more, and composite deflection is less. Then the weight of metallic is heavier than the composite. Then the cost of metallical beam is moderate. Composite metallical beam is moderate, and composite beam is slightly higher than the metallical beam. And applications are metallical beams are mainly used for buildings and machineries, but composite beams are mainly used for flyovers, bridges, for high rise floors. Application of metallical beams, industrial structure, machine support, temporary bridges, not permanent but temporary. Application of composite beams, highway bridges, flyovers, multiple story buildings. Conclusion. Composite beams combine material like steel and concrete. This gives them a high strength to weight ratio. Hence, composite beams are preferred in moderate structures.